How to buy Bawwon twump token. So this token came under the symbol of Bawwon. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 900% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. And this token trended number 5 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is also going to click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here. And after that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Bawwon token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.